Swagatam. Today we will speak about the beneficial effects of Aparajita tea. This Aparajita tea is found in the Asia continent, also found in Australia and America.
Aparajita tea has role in etiology of chronic diseases like diabetics mellitus, cancer, and age-related neurological degenerative diseases. Having polyphenols have a beneficial effect on human health due to their anti-inflammatory, anti-aging, antibacterial, and antiviral properties. Opposita's natural antioxidant ingredients have the ability to reduce the degradation of tissues and cells in human body by free radicals. Hence, it is very much used in cosmetic industries and pharmaceuticals.